We replace that. Now it's time to get you. Let's go to the junkyard. Let's go get a part. These are products I will be using. This, you can get this from like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advance. This ain't the same color, but it's close. Let's spray a little so we can see how it looks. Just get you a little, man. Open it up. Let's shoot. Look a little blacker, but hey, it's better than this. Put it in some hot water and let it. Let's change this mirror. Out with the old. I got it. Let's record. Stay right there. Finna show you how to budget paint. $5. Get close, brother. Yeah, close. "15 minutes later." We back out. Wipe it back down. Back out. Wipe it back down with some wax and grease remover, and let's spray. Watch out, Nyla. Oh yeah. Time for the clip. Time to bake it. Oh, this looking good. So we gotta do this last clear coat. Look at that. Ooh. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Stop it. Fuck, man. And that's how you put a mirror back in. That look good. It's done. Just need a wash and it's over with. Look at that. You can't even tell. Close the door for me. Can't even tell.